So welcome Piyush to LWP Words Present, LOL Lots of Learning, Social Media Partner, YouTube and Instagram, Episode 2. So
Thank you.
without any further delay, let's start. So Piyush, now I will be asking you some questions. Before that, so you launched a YouTube channel on traveling. So how was the response of it?
It is going good. Yeah, there are many views and many watchers who are watching that
Okay.
channel. It is going good.
So since you started a traveling YouTube channel, so we will be asking you questions related to that. So I'll presenting my screen.
Okay.
You can see the question simultaneously on your
Sure.
screen also. So
Okay.
just a second. So
Okay.
Piyush, I will be now showing you a screen with some questions. So you have to answer that. Okay.
Okay. Okay, Akshan. Sure.
So I hope you can see the questions.
Yes. Yeah. It's visible.
Okay. So first of all, why did you start with the poetry channel? The first question.
Okay.
Travel channel.
Akshat.
Sorry.
Huh. Travel channel. Actually, Akshat, I went to Manali. Okay.
Huh?
मैं like Manali गया था तो I've made many videos. I've recorded many videos and I have edited it, and
Okay.
that's my channel. I have thought my channel to start from there. As we will go to new places and explore more. So I
Okay.
have channel is derived from this explore on wheels basically.
It's a quite interesting name. So I'll be putting the link of your channel in description so that people can go and check your channel.
Thank you. Thank you, Akshat.
So next question. So that's the same question. Sorry. Okay. So what do you love about? Why do you love to travel?
Basically, I love to travel so that I can explore many new places. I can like research about it. I will see it. I will observe it. So I love to travel more so that I can explore more. Basically,
Okay. That's the name of the channel directly.
yes, it's all interdependent.
Okay. So which was the last place to visit and please share your experience.
Same that I have told that latest I in Corona I visited to Manali, and from where I have told you that I have started my channel. So my latest place is Manali, where many new things were observed and new development.
So any favorite memory of Manali?
Uh, I think you also know that there is Atal tunnel made there.
Yes.
अटल टनल भी बनाई गई है एंड वी वर नॉट नोइंग अबाउट इट, हमें नहीं पता था। वी लाइक हम जा रहे थे तो वहाँ पे बोट बनाया, ओके 2 किलोमीटर अटल टनल। सो आई विजिटेड देयर एंड दैट वाज द हेवन फॉर मी, वेयर आई हैव
Okay.
दैट वाज वेरी astounding, very astounding.
Great.
I think everyone should visit there, as the inauguration was also done by our PM.
Okay. So which trip was your favorite one from a childhood till now?
Favorite trip was of Dubai. When I went to Dubai, I have seen many different things like butterfly gardens and like Burj Khalifa, which is the tallest of
Yes.
all. It did many new things. It was like awesome for me. So it was Dubai where I visited.
So which mode of transportation do you prefer? Like you prefer waterways, railways, roadways, airways?
See, there most of the places I have visited, I have choose is roadways, because like if you want to go to mountains, okay, and like if you want to go on plains also, so many places you will discover from roadways obviously. So I have
Yes.
choose more.
So planes are not at every places. That's why roads are the best. Roadways, cars.
Roadways are the best, yes. Actually,
So
if we go
yes.
by, अगर हम like airways से जाएंगे, if we go by airways, so we cannot discover that places as like places where miss out.
Yeah.
it will miss. So roadways I have.
Okay, so how did your viewers react to your two videos which you uploaded on channel? It was a positive or a
Obviously,
negative?
it's positive. Many people have I have shared also, and they have told about my video that it was good. They also inspired from my video and plan to visit there. Many really.
Okay.
So views, basically positive review and views also.
Okay. So so what's your most preferable sort of destination? Like you like to visit hill station, beach places, cold or anything you want to? Which one is your favorite?
Okay. My if my choice, if you will go to my choice will be obviously hill station. Okay, as hill station I love because of mountains, basically because when I uh, रोड आती है ना माउंटेन में जाने वाली वो बहुत मुझे मस्त लगती है जब when we go up and up, so I will hill station.
Also,
Yes.
the temperature of Delhi, we can say hill station are preferable.
Yeah. Yes, we can compare it with temperature. Yeah.
So next one, next video will be to which place and when?
Next, which place I have not decided, but yeah, in this month I will try to
Upload.
upload. Yes, place I have not decided till now.
Okay. So your dream destination in India or abroad, a place where you want to die hardly go.
See, my destination, my dream destination is Australia. I like that very much, as
Okay.
big beauty and culture and all. I like Australia very much.
Okay.
So that is my dream where I have to go.
Okay. So just a second.
You have asked me many new questions.
Okay.
So in my mind, there are many like 4 or 5 questions that I want to ask you.
No issue.
So can
Yeah.
you continue? Okay, sure. So I will present my screen and you have to answer all the questions. Okay.
Okay. Great.
Wait, I am presenting.
Okay. So he's just presenting it up.
Akshat, I think it's visible to you.
It is starting. Yeah, it's now visible to me.
Okay. So
That's
Akshat,
my screenshot from a live video, I guess.
yes, Akshat. It's right. So in wait a minute. Okay. So I have set a timer here. Okay.
Okay.
And I will start the timer and you have question in that timer. Okay. So like जितना टाइम जैसी वो टाइमर ओवर होगा आपको as much points जितना सोच सकते हो सोचना है वो. ठीक है.
Okay.
Okay. So can I
What?
start?
Yeah, sure.
1 minute. I'm doing so. So 1 minute.
What techniques you use when in your poem and how will you improve it in future? Okay, techniques.
So Akshat, the time is over. So please answer this question.
Okay, so the techniques, basically there is no definite technique in my poetries. So it depends first of all from topic to topic and my knowledge about the topic.
Okay.
For example, the social media was in a form of ballad, a song poetry, because I had experience. It's a personal experience, how you use, what you listen.
Okay.
And secondly, for other poetry, I can say like, which I've uploaded on my channel, like corruption one. So corruption is all
Okay.
we have listened to it, but we cannot see it actually practically, except the movies thing. But that is somewhat exaggerated and somewhat real. So whatever it was, I've written in that form. So it depends from topic to topic and my knowledge on the topic. So yeah, for improving it, I will be trying that I'll get more generally aware of the things and do more sort of research for my poetries and my content I upload on my channel.
Okay, nice. Okay. So let us move to the question two. And your
What message you convey through your poems? So through my poems, there is not a fixed message. Oh, okay, sorry, I forgot about the timer. You can continue.
okay, no issues. You can answer if you have thought all the points that you have to say, or you can
So the
answer.
message I wanted to convey through my poetry are not definite. It depends. It varies from topic to topic. So like if the topic, let's say for example, again corruption. In a corruption poem, I would like to give a message of anti-corruption, no, vigilance, non-vigilance, and in social media addiction, I would like to give message for that there should be minimum use or a definite use of social media, which is in a good amount, not excessive or not a negative use like cyberbullying. So it depends from again topic to topic.
And Akshat, I want to say that the social media poem that you have uploaded, I am a big fan of that poem.
Thank
I
you so
like that
much.
poem very. Yes, Akshat. So can we move to question three
Yes.
for you? Okay. So your time starts now for this. So your time is over, Akshat. Please
Okay.
tell.
So my poem carries, so in some poems there is lyric, in some narrative, in some dramatic. So like for example in Ahankar video, the Hindi poetry, it was a story, so I can call it as narrative. In social media poem, it was a ballad, so I can call it lyric. For dramatic, I guess it's not a story, but the book, my book Magical Diary, that was full of adventurous dramas.
Okay.
So it's
So
varying from theme to theme, and not so till now there is not a sort of poetry which had all the three or the things.
so Akshat, basically your answer is all of the above. So your answer is all of the above, basically.
Uh,
The reason you
yeah, in
given.
case if there are different poetries, not in a single one.
Okay, okay, then nice. So for this question of time,
Favorite poet. Mhm.
so Akshat, please give the answer of this
Uh,
question. Who is
okay,
your
so my
poet?
favorite poet, author, and everything is Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. And many of you might not be knowing the name of him directly. So, but he has given a rise to one of the most famous detectives, that is Sherlock Holmes. So he is the founder of
Yeah.
Sherlock Holmes books.
Okay, nice, good. So can we move to question number five?
Yes, yes.
This is the last question, and the
How
timer
many
starts now.
hours a day do you write?
Yes, Akshat.
Okay, so in a day it's not an hour, so it depends like whenever I'm in mood. So it's not like I write daily or not even like in weeks. So I write frequently, like after every 2 to 3 days for half an hour. 15
Okay.
minutes, depending upon in how much time can I write the poetry. And
So
for the book thing, it's like currently it's pending since 2020 June. I've not edited it single time the new book. And for Magical Diary, it took me 45 minutes per day.
okay. So Akshat, how much time do you take for your poem each day? Like how much time you contribute for the poem? Please tell the graph of each day.
Uh,
Like one day you can contribute hours to, yeah, how many, like, time?
okay, so for
Um,
each day, it's not fixed. Like I will contributing, or so it's
okay.
usually zero because I have kept
Okay.
many poems with me, and sometimes like I know it's I have to write the content, so it will be more like 15-20 minutes,
Mm,
or it can someday take
okay.
1 hour, depending how much
Okay.
time it takes me to write the poem. Because
Okay.
and usually it doesn't take me time, or sometimes it takes me 2 hours, and then also the poem doesn't rhyme. So it totally depends, not a fixed ratio.
Okay. Okay. Akshat, so my questions are also ended, and you have given well done answers. Very good answers
Thank you
for
so
my question.
much.
So I'm stop sharing my screen. Yes.
Okay.
So it's removed. Yeah.
So, anything else, Piyush, you want to share about your channel? Why should people subscribe to it?
Actually, people can view my channel, so they can know about many new places and various places that I visited, and they can plan also to go there. So I have
Okay.
made, and I'm very happy to come in this episode. Your lots of learning too. I'm very glad to participate in.
Okay. So, I am also glad that you came. And guys, please subscribe to his channel and like his videos, watch his videos. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do that also. You have to do that first. The link for his channel will be in description. Go and watch it out, and you will be loving his content. So, do you want to share anything about your channel or about yourself?
See, I want my statement is same that I'm trying to uh, like bring more content to my channel, and as my grade is 10th, I'm in a 10th class, so I am also preparing for my board exam. So I'm trying my best to bring more content, and I will give it very best. I will give my best to it.
Okay, so we are hoping for the best and new videos as well in channel.
Same to you.
Also, thank you so much.
Okay.
Also, should we bring this episode to an end if you want?
Yeah, we can.
So, guys, finally, your wait was over for the episode, and I hope that you enjoyed this episode like previous episode. And if you did so, please give a fat thumbs up to this video. Do mention, comment, and who want to see as the next guest, you can recommend me any channel. I will talk into them using the hashtag Talking Tuesday for any question suggestion. Please mention in the comment section, and I will be picking up that soon. Also, subscribe to the Piyush channel. And now we are ending up this call. And keep loving our channel, subscribing, and share this interview with your friends as you all were waiting for the episode 2 of the LOL since it was aired with the first episode. So, signing off, love and peace from both of us. Bye.